class 8. Today we are going to start with this poem, Macavity the Mystery Cat. So who is this mystery cat? Can anybody tell who is this mystery cat who has been mentioned here? Actually, this mystery cat, Macavity, it is one of the famous character which is created by T.S. Eliot in one of his books. And what this kind of cat is, this cat is very genius sort of cat who is able to commit any kind of crime but is never caught red-handed. Every time after committing the crime, the cat fled away from that place. And even the Scotland Yard, it means that the police of Scotland was trying to catch this cat, but ultimately what is happening? They are not able to catch this, or they are not able to arrest this cat. It means that this cat is very clever, committing various kinds of crimes, for example, theft, robbery. Okay, so ultimately it is also baffling the police. It is also causing the police to get baffled and they did not know what to do. So finally, this criminal cat is actually the mystery cat in this poem. This we are going to learn about it, and who is disregarded as not a cat of good character by the police also, and even the detective agencies like that Scotland Yard and Flying Squad, they are also after this cat, but as the cat was not being able to be caught, so this cat is producing great bafflement among people also, right? So this is what we are going to study. So let us see in the poem that what are the different kinds of crimes that this cat is being committing. So let us see here. Macavity, the mystery cat. So, do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. Yes. You must have tamed animals or pets at your home. Maybe you have not cats, but here in India, most of the people, they are not keeping cats as pets. But in foreign countries, people love cats. They have cats as their pets. They keep number of cats in their homes, in their houses, and enjoy with them. And so maybe you won't be knowing these about the cats much more, but you must have seen the stray cats who usually come to your house in order to get milk. And sometimes when you have found a kitten or a cat coming to your house, you may be giving the cat milk in a bowl, and ultimately the cat is usually coming to your house, is less afraid of you. So this is very common act with all. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? But not all cats, they are mystery cats. But let us see in this poem that why this cat is called as a mystery cat. Why is this called? So let us read the poem and find out. So here goes the explanation of the poem. Macavity's a mystery cat. So Macavity, what is Macavity? Macavity is the name of the cat and it is called as the mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Okay, so the cat is also called as the hidden paw. Hidden paw means the front part of the hand of the forelimb. Okay, of the hand of the cat. So it is called as the hidden paw. Why it is called as the hidden paw? It is called as hidden paw because after committing the crime, the cat always fled away from that place. It is never caught again and the person is not able to catch hold of this cat. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. Why? Why it is called as hidden paw? Because he is the master cat. He is the master cat who can defy the law. Defy the law means who is always giving a cheat or who is always cheating the law also. This is called as master criminal because the cat is having the mastermind of a criminal, and after committing the crime, the law is not able to catch this cat. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. Despair means sadness when they are unable to catch this cat. Bafflement means confusion. This cat is responsible to create confusion among Scotland Yard and flying squad. These are Scotland Yard is the police of Scotland, and moreover flying squad is the, what is flying squad? Flying squad is the secret detective agency. Everyone, all the major agencies which are related to it, they are after it in order to find what this cat is doing and where it has gone after committing the crime. But what happened that the cat was not able to catch anybody. Nobody is able to catch this cat, and this cat is always creating confusion for Scotland Yard police also, and moreover to the flying squad is a detective agency. Next, or when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Yes. So how this cat is behaving, it is so fast and you can say clever that whenever after committing the crime, it immediately fled away from the place, and moreover, the police, whenever it reaches there, they are not able to catch this cat. So this is the great quality of this cat, that this cat is never caught again. Nobody is able to catch this cat, as this cat can run away from the place where it is, and ultimately the police is also confused along with that of the flying squad that they are unable to catch this cat. Right? So McCavity. There's no one like McCavity. It means that no one is in comparison to that of McCavity. It is a very, you can say different kind of cat who is never been caught by the police. Moreover, the police is after this cat, but again this cat is never being caught by the police, and moreover no other cat is as clever as this McCavity is. He's broken every human law and he breaks the law of gravity also. So this is the funny explanation, humor is added here, that he has broken every human law, that every law which has been made for human beings, this has been broken by this cat. This cat has broken every human law. It means he has gone against the law in every way, breaking all the laws, and he breaks the law of gravity. Law of gravity means that you can be attracted to one place because of gravity. You know, as a science student, what is gravity, and moreover, it has broken that law of gravity as it is never present at the place after committing the crime. He immediately runs away from that place. So next, I don't know what happened that the students are entering still now. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stay. So his powers of levitation means that moving in and out. So his powers of levitation, he's so active, so fast that he can move in and out and would make a fakir stare. It would always make a saintly person to say that how clever, how active this cat is. How is this possible that at one time the cat is here and at other time it has gone to somewhere else? So this cat is really very difficult to be caught, and it is very difficult to catch this cat, and his powers of levitation means coming in and going out or moving in and out. They are so steadfast, they are so fast that one cannot be able to catch this cat. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. So after committing the crime, it immediately runs away from the scene of crime. And if you go there in order to catch the cat, you won't be able to go there and catch it. Okay, you won't be able to catch the cat because it is so clever, it is so fast, and it is so active, it is so agile that one can never be able to catch hold of this cat. So you may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. You may seek him, you will try to find this cat in the basement. Basement means the underground part, okay, underground area of living, under the house. You may seek him in the basement. You will try to find the cat in the basement, and you may look up in the air. And you can also look up for the cat in the air, that where the cat has gone, how suddenly it has gone away, why it has gone away. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. But let me tell you one thing and one more thing, that Macavity can never be found anywhere, not on the earth and not in the air. It means that Macavity is so fast, so clever that one cannot be able to find this cat again. If one is trying to find the cat, no one will be able to find this cat. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is a very tall and thin. So Macavity, what is Macavity? It is, you can say it is a ginger cat. Ginger cat means it is, you can say, heaped with thoughts. It has many thoughts, very clever one. Okay, this is the reason why the word is used here is ginger cat. He's tall and very thin. So he's tall. This is the reason why he's very active, and thin. This is the reason he runs like a sprinter who is very fast in running. So this is one of the reasons that why this cat is never been caught. So you would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. You would know him if you saw him. You would know him if you saw him, like it means that if you would know him if you saw him, if you will see this kind of cat, you will come to know that what kind of this cat is, for his eyes are sunken in. Eyes are little bit deep seated. They are sunken in. They are not superficial outward bulging, but they are sunken in. And his brow is deeply lined with thought. His head is highly domed. Okay. So his brow is deeply lined. His brow means his forehead. Deep lines can be seen on his forehead, which shows his thoughtfulness, that this cat thinks a lot. His head is highly domed. Highly domed, it is covered with hat also. Okay, and moreover, many thoughts are always enclosed in the head of this cat. So this is the meaning of domed. What is the meaning of domed? That many thoughts are always present in his head. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. His coat is dusty means he is so busy in his own work, in his own pursuits, in his own business of committing crime, that he pays least attention towards his coat, which is dusty, which is always covered with dust. Why it is covered with dust? Because and from one place to another it is moving, and moreover sitting here and there and getting no time to dust off the excess dust from the coat. His whiskers are uncombed. His whiskers means the hair that has grown on its mouth. It is uncombed. This also shows the negligible nature of the cat towards his body. That the cat's main purpose is to commit crime, to earn money and nothing else. And after that, the cat is not doing anything. The cat runs away from one place to another, paying least attention or paying no attention towards his body. He sways his head from side to side. Sways his head means he moves his head from one side to another with movements like a snake. And what kind of movements it is showing? It is showing the movements like that of snake, immediately catching attention of the victim. Okay, so what kind of movements? It is showing the movements like that of snake, which means immediately catching attention like that of a snake. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. And poet is saying, never get confused that the cat is sleeping. No. In sleep also, the cat is very, very active. It means that when the cat is half asleep, he is still wide awake, keeping a watch over the incidents taking around him so that he should never be caught by the police. So this is one of the reasons that why this cat is never being caught by the police. Macavity. There's no one like Macavity. So there is no other cat who is as comparable to that of Macavity, as this cat is very clever. All the police as well as the detective agencies are after this cat in order to catch him, but nobody was able to catch this cat. For he is a find in feline shape. Okay, feline means which is relating to cat, like that of cat. He is a find. Find means devil, shaitan. He is a find. He is actually a devil in the form of a cat. Actually, it's not a cat. It's what it is. It is actually a devil, which is in the form of a cat. A monster of depravity. Monster means, again, that devilish thing. Okay, of depravity means which is morally corrupt. Depravity means morally corrupt, which does not have any moral values, which does not have any good qualities. It is only doing crime and only crime. Right? So, you may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square. Square means the main area in the center of the market where people used to gather. And by street means the other streets which are adjoining or which are related to the main street. So you may meet him in a by street or you may see him in the square. So where you can find this cat, you can find this cat in the by streets, in the other streets which are adjoining the main streets, and moreover you will also be able to see him in the square. Square means in the public place. But still you won't be able to catch this cat. But when a crime is discovered, then Macavity is not there. But when what happened? Crime is happening, crime happens, but Macavity is never there to be found. So this is the cleverness of this cat. And ultimately, what is there that everyone is trying to catch this cat, but nobody is able to catch it. Once again, let us revise the main meanings. So Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. So who is Macavity? Macavity is actually the mystery cat. What it is called as? It is called as the hidden paw. Why it is called as hidden paw? Because it is never been discovered. He's never caught. The police is not able to catch him, for he is the master criminal, and who can defy the law? Because he is the master criminal. This cat is very clever, committing all the crimes and breaking all the laws. Defy the law means breaking all the laws. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair. So this cat is the reason for creating confusion among the Scotland police. And moreover, the detective agencies are after this cat to catch him, but they are not able to catch. This is the reason why they are worried. For when they reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. Because whenever they reach the site of crime, or the scene of crime, McCavity is never found there. McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. So there's no cat as that of this cat, that is McCavity. He's broken every human law and he breaks the law of gravity. So this cat, it has broken all the human laws, and moreover, it has also broken the law of gravity by not sticking to one point. It is always moving from one place to another. So his powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. His powers of levitation means moving in and out or hanging out in the air. He is so, you can say, clever that he is running, coming and going from one place to another in fraction of seconds, that even a saintly person would stare at his activeness. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. And when you go to the scene of crime, McCavity is never found there. You may seek him in the basement. You may look up in the air. But I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. The police is trying to find the cat everywhere. They looked in the basements also. They looked in the air also, that where it has hidden. But actually, the cat is never found anywhere. McCavity is a ginger cat. But this McCavity is a ginger cat. Okay, it is, you can say, it has many thoughts. Very clever cat. He's tall and thin, and you would know if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. His eyes, they are sunken in. Why they are sunken? Because of not taking proper rest. Because the cat is never in deep sleep. His brow is deeply lined with thought. His forehead is covered with lines. Why? Because he's always in his thinking process. He's always thinking one or the other thing. And his head is highly domed. His head is always filled with number of thoughts. His coat is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. His coat is always dusty because he is least paying attention to keep his clothes clean, and moreover, his whiskers are uncombed. His whiskers, the hair grown on the face, they are always uncombed. They are not combed. He sways his head from side to side, his movements like a snake. He is moving his head from one side to another like that of a snake. It means very active in his movements. And when you think he's fall asleep, half asleep, he's always wide awake. And the poet is saying, don't think that the cat is sleeping. Because when the cat is sleeping, he is still awake. This is the reason why the cat is having sunken eyes. Moreover, McCavity, there's no one like McCavity. Poet is saying that no other cat is as clever as that of McCavity. McCavity is the clever cat. For he is a fine in feline shape. Because this cat is actually a devil in the shape of a cat, a monster of depravity. And he is also a devil of monster moral corruption. He is not having any good moral values. You may meet him in a by street, or you may see him in the square. So you can see this cat in the streets, adjoining the main street, and you may also see him in the square. So where you can also see him? You can also see him in the square. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. But when you find the crime being committed, everyone can find everyone there, but McCavity is never found there. So the name of the poet is T.S. Eliot, who has created this imaginary character, McCavity cat, who is very clever cat and who is committing all the crimes and is responsible for causing most of the damage to the city. Right? So let us do these short questions. In the first stanza, think, is McCavity a cat really? Is McCavity a cat really? Yes, this is a cat really, but a very cunning cat. Okay, yes, it's a cat, a very cunning cat, an imaginary character. Write on book here. If not, who can McCavity be? If McCavity cannot be a cat, what can be? It can be an expert thief, a criminal. It can be an expert thief or it can be a criminal. So let us complete these sentences. A master criminal is one who
defy the law.
Defy the law, or
Defy
one who escapes the police, evades the police. Second, the Scotland Yard is baffled because they failed to catch the cat. Because they failed to catch the cat. Dash, because McCavity moves much faster than them. Flying Squad is also sad or is also in despair because they are not able to catch this cat. Okay, so rest of the questions we will do tomorrow. And
Ma'am,
yes, Pritam.
मैम लास्ट पोएम के स्टैंजा बेस्ड क्वेश्चन नहीं थे हमारे?
Stanza based, we are doing it side by side. We will write in the notebook afterwards. Okay, clear?
Okay.
We'll write it afterwards. Because stanza we are doing side by side. Okay, so that's all for today, and tomorrow we will continue with the question answers of this point.